Today is day 4 of intermittent fasting until 4 o'clock. I just got back from a walk. I'll tell you, I don't think I'm really into this at all. Hi ladies, my name is Lori and I will never diet again. It feels like I'm dieting and I will never diet again. That means that I'm not fasting until 4 o'clock today. I'm tired of it. I'm really super tired. I was dragging on my walk. I'm ready to eat something. I'm going to have one more weigh-in for right now. I'm going to weigh in to see what I lost yesterday, and then tomorrow we'll do an update after I intermittent fasted until at least 11 o'clock and see if there's any big difference. My total weight loss from yesterday to today, intermittent fasting till 4, was 2 ounces. So I've lost a total of 3 pounds over the last week, but this intermittent fasting till 4 doesn't seem to be quite worth it to me. I'll continue on with what I eat in a day, and I'm so glad this is going to be over with. I'm so hungry.
Splash.
Oh, I think it's a good idea not to put the tablespoon in there. So it's not a good idea to keep your tablespoon in there. So I burned myself. This is part of the problem with me fasting today. It just wasn't a good day to be doing it because I was starting to make mistakes. So I burned myself pretty darn good. But my friend here, she told me to put a slice of onion on it, so that's helped. But it kind of scared me. Let's put some epazote in the beans, these garbanzo beans or chickpeas. I've been hungry for one of those mock tuna recipes lately. Add some onion, clove of garlic. Do it for an hour and 15 minutes. Cleanup day, so I'm just using up 2 days worth of leftover soup, mixing them together. All right, my daughter and I would like some potato wedges, so I'm going to have a couple of potatoes worth of potato wedges, and then I'm going to make some chickpea mock tuna type recipe with my garbanzo beans. And today is just one of those days where I am not 100%. I just must not have slept well last night. Time to assemble the mock tuna with chickpeas. 2 cups of chickpeas or garbanzo beans, 1/4 cup of celery chopped. Next we'll add 2 tablespoons of the ground sesame and sunflower seeds, 1/4 cup of red onions chopped, 2 teaspoons of vinegar, apple cider vinegar, and 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, less than a half a teaspoon of salt, and sprinkled with some pepper, some black pepper. Mix it together. This is very good. I was really impressed with it. So, and then I topped my salad with it. Enjoy. It's the end of day 4, which I did not complete as far as fasting until 4, but I fasted at least until 11. which is what I typically like to do because I'm normally not a big breakfast person. I like to wait till later. I actually just eat when I get hungry, and that is anywhere between 10 and 2 o'clock in the afternoon. And then I have had to be more mindful about stopping my eating at 6 o'clock. That's a habit that I had to intentionally make, and it has been helping me out a lot. My total weight loss with the intermittent fasting until 4 o'clock, which I completed 3 days worth, was 1.6 pounds. Now that is a loss, but not big of enough loss for me to continue doing it. It's just not my thing. So my son has more weight to lose, and he likes it. He likes eating 1 meal a day, and it's working for him. So I'm going to keep supporting him with that. And he told me that it was fine with him, whatever I did. But I wanted to try. A couple of years ago, when I initially did it, before I found the McDougall program, I was dropping sometimes more than 2 pounds a day by doing nothing until 4 o'clock. It was pretty amazing. So maybe it had tapered off, and that was how I started wandering off and ended up finding Chef AJ, who introduced me to the starch solution. You have a great evening. God bless you. I'm a conservative Christian, a wife, mother, grandmother, pastor's wife, and my family and I have lived in Mexico since 2004. I'm so glad you've come to join me today. Welcome to my kitchen. Like and subscribe, please.